You can see we got a whole lot of Exotica here today, and this, where we've already done the Pioneer head unit, trimmed the carbon fiber panel so that the head unit opens. We've now secured all of the door cards, the dash. Honestly, absolutely amazing job. The buttons look absolutely brand new. So all the Ferrari owners who know about sticky buttons, man, this thing is incredible. The quality of the work, and we haven't missed a thing. Door, see all of this? Anyone who owns one of these Ferraris, Maseratis, they know how it comes out. They know how it turns out. Especially this panel, and on this particular car, had a very bad example here on this rear view mirror. And now, absolutely perfect. The vents as well, even on the rear, we never missed a thing. The door cards are back in immaculate condition, really. So proud of the team, really. I think when you see the cars around, you'll know we're not messing around. So, any sticky buttons, anything you need doing, you know the name, 𝗦𝗧𝗜𝗨𝗧𝗧𝗢𝗡𝗏, you know the game, audio direct, hit us up. Let's make your sticky dreams go away.